Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, but size is the least interesting thing about them. These creatures remember faces for decades, grieve their dead, and communicate in frequencies you can't even hear. Here are 10 facts about elephants that'll completely change how you see them. Fact 1. Elephants never forget, and that's not just a saying. Their hippocampus, the brain region tied to memory, is enormous. They've been documented recognizing humans who helped them 12 years earlier. They remember waterholes across hundreds of miles of terrain. They track the locations of over 300 other elephants in their social network simultaneously. Your brain struggles to remember where you left your keys. Fact 2. Elephants mourn their dead. When a herd member dies, the others stand around the body for hours, sometimes days. They touch the bones with their trunks, even if they come across a skeleton years later. Researchers have watched elephants return to the exact spot where a companion died year after year. No one taught them to do this. Fact 3. Elephants talk in frequencies you can't hear. They produce infrasound, low-frequency rumbles below 20 hertz, that travel up to 6 miles through the ground. Other elephants pick this up through their feet and through a special pad in their jaw. They're having full conversations across distances you'd need a car to cross. Fact 4. Elephants know they're looking at themselves in a mirror. Most animals don't. When researchers placed a mirror in front of them, elephants used it to examine parts of their bodies they couldn't normally see: their mouths, their ears, their eyes. That level of self-awareness is shared by dolphins, great apes, and humans. That's the entire list. Fact 5. They comfort each other. When an elephant is distressed, after a predator attack, a loud noise, a conflict, other elephants rush over. They vocalize softly, touch them with their trunks, and even place their trunks inside each other's mouths, a gesture of profound trust. It's called consolation behavior. It's extraordinarily rare in the animal kingdom. Fact 6. Elephants use tools. They've been filmed using sticks to scratch spots their trunks can't reach. They use branches to swat flies. They modify objects, shortening twigs to the right size, selecting specific materials for specific tasks. In one study, they used boxes as step stools to reach food. That's not instinct. That's problem solving. Fact 7. Elephant pregnancies last 22 months, almost 2 full years, the longest gestation of any land animal on Earth. When the calf is finally born, it can stand within 1 hour. The whole herd responds, vocalizing loudly, spinning in circles, rushing to touch the newborn. They treat birth as a communal event, because for them, it is. Fact 8. The trunk is a superorgan. It contains 40,000 individual muscles. Your entire body has 640. It can pick up a single blade of grass or lift a 700-pound log. It can smell water from 12 miles away. It's a snorkel, a shower, a hand, and a telephone, all in one. Nothing else in nature comes close. Fact 9. Elephants are ecosystem engineers. They knock down trees, which sounds destructive until you realize this creates clearings that dozens of species depend on. Their dung spreads seeds across vast distances. In forests, they carve paths that smaller animals use as highways. Remove the elephants, and entire ecosystems collapse. They don't just live in the environment, they build it. Fact 10. An elephant is killed by poachers every 15 minutes. That's nearly 100 a day. At current rates, African savanna elephants could be functionally extinct within decades. The demand for ivory, mostly decorative objects, trinkets, is driving the erasure of one of the most intelligent animals that has ever lived on this planet. Elephants have been on this earth for 60 million years. They've survived ice ages, extinction events, and continental shifts. But they might not survive us. The question isn't whether we can save them, it's whether we'll bother.